In this video, I'm going to install Docker Desktop on my computer. You need to have Docker Desktop running in order to run the AtScale Community Edition. So we want to get that step out of the way and install Docker on this computer. I'm on AtScale.com. I'm going to Developer Community, and I'm scrolling down, and I'm going to use this quick start guide in order to help me. And what you'll find here is we have install Docker for Windows, Mac, and Linux links. I'm going to click on install Docker Desktop on Mac. And then you got to decide whether you're running the Apple Silicon or the Intel chip. I'm running the Intel chip. So I'm clicking there and I'm downloading the Docker Desktop software. Once it's done, I can just go ahead and click on the downloaded file and the installation comes up. All I have to do now is, just like every other software on the Mac, I can drag and drop, and that's going to install Docker on this Mac. So let's let that finish. Okay, we're all installed. So what we want to do now, though, is we want to bring up Docker because we do have some requirements recommended. If you look in the quick start guide here, we actually have some minimum requirements for running AtScale. And then also we're going to have some minimum resources within Docker. And so let's show you where to set those up. I'm going to actually open Docker. And now we get the Docker Desktop software. And I want to go up and click on this gear and then resources. And I want to set some resource limits here. You know, out of the box, 6 CPUs is fine. We would recommend up to 8 for increased performance. The memory limit, again, the minimum would be 8 gigs. We would like it to be either 12 or even all the way up to 16 gigs. And then as far as virtual disk goes, we want a minimum of 128. Go a little over that, all the way up to potentially 256. Increasing these limits, if it's available on the system, is going to make the system run better. I'm going to apply and restart. And now we have Docker set up and installed and ready for the installation of AtScale Community Edition.